Get ready to add a touch of DIY magic to your Christmas decor. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through creating your own Christmas tree skirt. The materials needed for this DIY are listed on the description. The first step is to cut your pieces. Cut 10 16 by 20 pieces. Now that we have all of our pieces cut out, let's embroider. To begin to embroider, load your fabric pieces onto the large tubular frame. Make sure that your fabric is fully taut or has a bounce similar to a trampoline. It should not be loose. So here you see me making various adjustments, and this is to make sure that that fabric is completely taut. This is very important so that your embroidery doesn't get messed up. Once your frame is set up, place the pattern piece on top of the tubular frame. Mark where you would like the center point of your embroidery to be. If you're using a pin, please remove it before stitching. Now let's load the frame to the side. Set up your design on the screen and let's begin stitching. All of the embroidery files will be available at jukiquilting.com/projects. Now that our embroidery is done, let's remove the piece from the frame. Then place the pattern piece on top and cut. It should look something like this. Repeat these steps with all the fabric pieces you would like to embroider. I'm embroidering a total of 5 pieces. And now all of our embroidery is done. Be sure to go to part 2 to finish the project. See you soon!